Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Danvers here. Today I'm going to be walking you through a brand new boat of ours. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Starting here in the back, you're going to see this boat is powered with two V10 400 horsepower Mercury engines. Plenty of power to get you up on plane and get you where you need to go. Make our way into the boat here. You're going to see a large storage compartment here. Great for water toys, fenders, lines, things like that. Coming into the cockpit of the boat, first thing you're going to see is you're going to see our Kenyan grill paired with our refrigerator and our sink. Great amenities. If you're hanging out for the day, you need to get what you need to get done. Also here, you're going to see this extendable sunshade. This is electric and it's going to extend all the way to the back of the boat, giving you the shade that you need. Here you're going to see that we have a filler cushion that is set in place. This underneath is a teak table, so if you want to pop it up, sit around it, have drinks, food, you can do that as well. Making our way forward here, you're going to see quickly that we have the open coupe. So what that means is that you're going to have a full windshield in the front and half on the sides. Allows the airflow on the side. You can wrap it up with isinglass. Coming up to the helm here, this is the best spot in the house. You're going to have twin Simrad screens, very easy to use, like an iPhone. And this boat is going to become standard with the Mercury joystick. Easy getting in and around the dock, and it also has the skyhook feature. Up in the bow, big sun lounge, plenty of room to sprawl out, enjoy the summer days, and you also have a nice cabin down below. For more information on this boat, give me a call, MarineMax Danvers, 978-879-3721. Thanks.